Hello, let us learn how to define whole numbers. Definition of whole numbers. To define whole numbers properly, think of it as having one apple, an apple that has not been eaten. It is a complete apple, so we say you have one whole apple. If you were given a second complete apple, now you would have two whole apples. What if you get a third? This time you would have three whole apples. The numbers here, 1, 2, and 3, and so on, help you to keep track of the number of complete apples you have. In like manner, they help you keep track of what we know as whole numbers. Therefore, we can say whole numbers are numbers that are complete. They do not have any part or piece left out. These numbers include the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on. They go on forever. All these numbers can be combined to give you even larger numbers, such as 100, 400, 2,000. Now imagine having 2,000 apples. That would be a lot of apples. So whole numbers generally are numbers that are complete. Let's write down the definition. We said whole numbers are numbers that are complete. They do not have any part or piece left out. So whenever you have a number that does not have any part or piece left out, you know that you are dealing with a whole number. Thank you.